Hey guys, welcome back to Stop it. Stop what you're doing right. Hey guys, welcome back to Castaway TV. We're back in the barn again today. It's like a hurricane outside. I don't know if you can hear it. Hopefully the old barn stays solid today and doesn't come down in the wind. Because we're out here and we're gonna work on the boat. Like most boats, it has become a storage spot for my fishing things. But we're gonna clean it out here and then we're gonna start working on customizing this bad boy. So I said in the last video I wanted to customize it. And by customizing it, I mean we're gonna make it into a little custom bass boat. Of course, it's gonna be no bass boat to some people's standards, but for me, it's gonna be a dream come true. So I'm gonna get this thing cleaned out, and then we're gonna get to work. All right, I'm gonna get to work now. All right guys, I got the boat cleaned out. It's looking a little better. Yeah, so what I'm planning on doing is taking this front area, these two benches, I'm gonna put a sheet of plywood on there. And then I'm gonna put two little like hatches right here to store bait, store gear, whatever. There's not gonna be a lot of space in there, but I wanna be able to walk around, move comfortably, and I feel like that's the best way to do it. So I'm gonna make a stencil right now so I can get the shape of the boat, and hopefully when we cut this sheet of plywood, we get it bang on first try. Wish me luck. New plan. We are gonna use a measuring tape and a pencil and figure this out. My idea to use a stencil, it was gonna be more difficult than it was worth. So, we'll get to that. Okay guys, we've got the stencil drawn out. I've measured twice, and I'm gonna cut 3 times likely, but hopefully not. I'm gonna go grab my saw, make this cut, then we're gonna cut in our cubbies, and we're on to paint. Okay, we made the cut, and shockingly, it fits pretty well. There's a little bit, it's a little bit wider over here. There's like an opening, and then this side's a little tight. But honestly, like, it's solid. I might just trim that one side quick, and I think like, I'm not gonna mess with it, because the more I play with it, the more likely I am to mess it up. So I'm just gonna clean that one side up quick, and then we're gonna get to putting these compartments in. Okay guys, we have got the compartments cut out. We're ready for paint already. It was actually pretty quick here. So here's the trap doors to the compartments. We have trap door compartment, handles, whatever. They flip down so they're out of the way, so it's easy to walk on. I'm not gonna stub my toe and curse and swear in the middle of a video, hopefully. So yes, I'm gonna paint this up now. What you're not ready for is the color I've decided to paint this. I'm gonna go grab it now. Alright, the first coat of paint is done. Lime green, baby, which you'll soon see in the future why, but that's the first coat. I'm gonna come back out in the morning, do another coat, and then possibly start installing it tomorrow afternoon. I'm gonna do a quick workout, and I'm off to bed.